Hi everyone. First of all, welcome to Make Your Office Eco-Friendly course. My name is Naresh. I am the instructor for this course. In this course, I'll cover everything you need to know about sustainability and why it is important in your office or in your work environment. I'll explore first of all understanding sustainability, practical tips on sustainability, getting everyone involved in sustainability and how to measure success, and also in the end, how to share success with your colleagues or with your office environment. So, by the end of the course, you will have complete understanding on how to save money by reducing energy and resource costs, and also how to boost morale by creating a positive and healthy work environment in your organization. And also, as an employee or as an organization, how to show your commitment to sustainability to your clients and also to your partners. So, are you ready to make a positive impact on environment and creating a greener workplace? Enroll in Make Your Office Eco-Friendly today and let's get started on this exciting journey together. So please hit the enroll button and I'm going to see you in the course. Thank you. Bye-bye.